How to unhide a post on Reddit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin and today I'll guide you on how you can unhide a post on Reddit on the Reddit application. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide through. First things first, you want to open up your Reddit application here. You should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. Now as you know, Reddit gives you an option to hide the post that you don't want to see on your timeline. If you just tap on the three dot option that you can find at the top right corner of the post, you'll get the option to save, hide, report and block. Simply tap on hide and the post will be hidden. Now where you can view your hidden post, now it's quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll be headed into your profile list. Here you can see at the bottom you'll find settings option, and above settings is the history option, right? You want to simply tap on the history option there. Once you tap on history there, at the top left you can see the recent option there. You want to simply tap on recent option, and you can see at the bottom you'll find the hidden option. Simply tap on hidden and you'll be able to look all your hidden posts here. Now how you can unhide them, like before, how you hid a post, all you have to do is at the top right corner of the post that you have hidden, you'll find the three dots right of the post. Simply tap on it and you'll find the option that says unhide post. Simply tap on unhide post and it'll be unhidden. So this way you can unhide a post on Reddit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.